school, door. Yet something as effective as following up with them with the right messaging, going ahead with the right strategies. The next experience that I'd like to share with all of you is one of my personal experiences. PR is not only about promoting an organization or an event. At times, it's promoting yourself as an individual. I'm sure all of you are going to remember this look of mine for the next few days. It was the time for elections for a position, and each member had the opportunity to reach out to all the members who would vote, either in the form of an email or by social media promotions or sending them messages or doing phone calls. It was around this time that I saw lengthy and boring emails coming in from all of the candidates. It seemed like history class to me. Cutting the long story short, I decided I am not going to send such long emails. I sent a single picture in an email with the subject of the email mentioned. This is not a long and boring email. Well, to my surprise, I received some wonderful responses from several members saying, "This is the best email I've seen in a while." Now, what I really did here was think out of the box and not really share the same old conventional information. As a follow up to the first email, I sent the second email saying, "This is a relatively long, but definitely not a boring email." What I realized at the end was thinking out of the box led me to creating my mark and establishing my presence. I am going back into the box. I hope all of you will remain in there. Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Sanjay. That was indeed out of the box speech and literally as well. If you would like to, so let's take a pause for 30 seconds to write feedback for the speaker. Please share your feedback privately on the only with the speaker using the chat feature. Meanwhile, Toastmaster Sanjay, if you want to come out of the box and share your views on this question that I have for you.
Yep.
What benefits have you seen when you include storytelling as technique in your speeches?
Yeah, so what I've seen with regards to storytelling is, like I mentioned earlier, stories connect well with people. It's always the personal stories that ring a bell or, struck the right chord with people. So yeah, stories have always been an added advantage. I'm sure all of you realized by now that I had two personal stories in my speech as well. Back to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Sanjay. Let's have the timer report now. Toastmaster Peksha, can you give us the exact timings of 3 speeches and who all have qualified? Toastmaster Peksha.
Yes, Toastmaster Priya. It was an icebreaker speech for Shankar Mani, but he is qualified. And Speaker Hina, she is also qualified. And Speaker Sanjay, it was in red, but again, he is also qualified.
That's great. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Peksha. So let's cast our vote for the best speaker now. For all the speakers, all have qualified for the meeting. The box is already up on your screen.
I can see the name of Toastmaster Hina twice. I'm not sure if it's just me.
I'll end this poll and update the new one. Okay. TMOD, you can continue.
Sure. I'll request all of you all to cast the vote again once the new screen is up for you all. Going back to stories, the theme of the day. So, do you all want to share in one word, what are different elements which becomes part of one story? Let me start. Every story has a title and moral. What else do you all want to share?
Message.
There's a message. Thank you.
Fable.
Anyone else? It's a fable. Yes. So there's a moral to that story.
There's drama.
There's drama. There are emotions. Yes.
Twist.
There's a twist. Yes.
Characters.
Sorry, I missed that.
Character.
Characters, yes, the most important. They are the
Yes.
one bringing the twist and drama in the story. Yes,
We are all a story. We are
we
a
all
living
are.
piece.
That's right. That's right. Super. So, as human beings, we are automatically drawn towards stories because we see ourselves reflected in them. Remember those stories of Akbar Birbal, Panchtantra, Tenali Raman, very popular Thirsty Crow story, where he puts some ice to drink the vodka. They just changed a little in the textbooks for students, but the actual story was other way around. I'm a big fan of radio jockey Nilesh Mishra and his anecdotes. He comes on one of the radio channel and along with songs and everything, he narrates some very different stories of different parts of India. And recently, I have been listening to some of his stories on YouTube. He takes you on a journey through length and breadth of India with heart-touching stories of love, hate, and relationships. You can just get engrossed in the way he narrates the story. I would recommend you all to, if you've not heard him anytime, you can actually Google through Nilesh Mishra RJ and listen to him whenever you all have time. Let's continue the meeting with our next section, which is to test our ability to think fast and speak impromptu in the table topic sections. The table topic master has a long and tenacious career in digital marketing and operations management. He believes in working hard and playing harder. His passion is to make friends, travel, and build school for underprivileged children. Let's welcome Toastmaster Yatin.
Hello, everyone. Hope all of you guys are staying dry in this absolutely wet weather. All right. So today I am your table topic master, or rather, I should say, I have the privilege of being your table topic master. We have two parts to this impromptu speaking section. The first one is round robin, where all of you guys get to speak for 15 seconds. And this is going to be an interesting round robin. So I hope all of you guys have fun, let your creative juices flow. And I think we will just have I would say an enthralling round robin section today. The second part of the table topic is going to be the table topics. I mean, the second part of this section is going to be table topics. Okay, and here you're going to get a chance to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, when you are trying to do impromptu speaking, there are 4 very creative skills that you develop. The first one is definitely listening, because you've got to listen to the question really carefully. Okay, then you've got to start, you develop a very strong thinking ability. Then of course you get to organize, because you've got only few seconds to organize your thoughts and speak something about that topic. And lastly, you get to, of course, impress us with your delivery. So all of us can just focus on these 4 skills, and I think we will have a lot of fun today. Now, one thing I want all of you guys to do is try to use the word of the day and the phrase of the day. Can somebody just unmute and just tell me what is the word of the day?
Fable.
Very good, Priya. And what is the phrase of the day other than Priya?
Long story short.
Long story short. There you go. So long story short, you guys need to use the word of the day and the phrase of the day. All right. Now, for the round robin, I'm going to begin with a sample story, and then I will call upon each one of you after 15 seconds are over to go ahead and continue where I have left off, okay, or where the previous speaker has left off. So with that, timer, can you please put on the 15-second Google timer, because I can see your table topic time right now.
Yeah, sure. I'm setting up.
Can you just click on that Google timer tab? I think I don't know. Is it only me who is still seeing the?
Same for me.
Yeah. Perfect. All right.
You able to see now?
Yep, we are
Yes.
able to see it now. Thank you very much, Taima. So let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a prince, and he was in great danger because his father wanted to kill him. The reason why he wanted to kill him, because he had borrowed a lot of money from him, which he hadn't returned. Okay, Toastmaster Shubham.
Yes. So as Prince have danger, he going to the jungle and take some dragons and create one army of dragon like Khaleesi have in Game of Thrones, and with the help of this, he will fight with his father and take the kingdom back.
Okay, all right. So, Toastmaster Apeksha, you're the timer, so you can go first. So that go ahead, Apeksha.
So after created that army, he was thinking how to expand my army. I need some more people in my team. So again, he go to jungle and he approached few more animals.
Okay, 16, 15 seconds done. Thank you. Good one. Good creativity. Go ahead. All right, Toastmaster Anand, how about you carry on the baton?
As he was in the jungle preparing and gathering his uh, new army or additional army, along came a beautiful princess who was just strolling through the forest. And it was, long story short, love at first sight.
All right. Okay, next, RTM Modi.
So the prince forgot about what he had to do with his father and the whole army setting up. And in the jungle, the prince and the princess, to be princess, they just enjoyed their time together.
Okay, all right. Okay, then we'll go to our counter, Santosh, our presiding officer.
As prince and princess decided to live each other, and they get married very soon, and as princess forget the real cause why he raised the army and all debt, and finally they live very happily.
Okay. Toastmaster Narayan.
And the king was totally unaware of all these events, and his son was having been married, and he too is very eager to know what is the reason for this big
Toastmaster
army which
Devesh. All right, thank you. Toastmaster Devesh.
So army alone will not help to win against his father, but he needs some person. So Toastmaster Yatin is there for rescuing him. He needs some intelligent, witty, and a person with lot of wisdom,
Okay,
so
thank you,
that he can
Toastmaster
rescue
Devesh.
the.
Very
And
creative. Toastmaster Tushar.
Does this whole story remind you of someone? It's Gautam, Siddharth Gautam, who left his palace and lived outside the street just to experience the whole world, to see the money that he gathered from or he stole from his father and gave it to the charity.
Okay, all right. Guest Purvanch.
Then he remembered that he was against his father, so he created that army again of the dragons, and he added more animals in that, and then he defeated his father.
Okay, that's lovely, Purvanch. Love that. Okay, guest Vasundhara.
When he defeated his father, then they lived happily. To cut the entire long story short, they lived happily ever after in the jungle itself.
Continue. Still got 8 seconds. Good jungle. There could be reincarnation. Go ahead.
And they met Tarzan over there.
Good. All right. Hina. Toastmaster Hina.
So while they were in the jungle and they met Tarzan, the Tarzan was kind of training the princess kid to to how to climb the trees and move around the jungle.
Good one. Toastmaster Sanjay.
Well, initially I thought it was Tarzan in the jungle, but as I went closer, I realized that it's the boy from the Jungle Book, Mowgli, who happens to be my favorite character With regards to comics stories, my storytelling journey always started from reading the Jungle Book, and there I went, yeah, Mowgli.
Toastmaster money. Shankar, Toastmaster Shankar.
You're speaking on mute.
You're
Shankar.
on mute.
You're
Yeah.
on mute, Shankar. Yeah.
So Mowgli got inspired from a story of my life, and he killed all the humans from the jungle. And a long story short, he lived happily over there in the jungle.
Good one. Okay, everybody unmute yourself and give yourself a big round of applause. Come on, people. You all did amazing.
I think Toastmaster Kumar is remaining.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
He
sorry,
raised
my
his
bad.
hand. He wanted to. Yeah.
Oh, go ahead, Toastmaster Kumar. Sorry, my bad. I don't know how I missed you.
Yeah, no worries. So, as the child was born in jungle and he was like a Mowgli, so the producers of the show approached him to cast him and make a sequel of Mowgli serial. And then he came to the city and started shooting for Mowgli.
All right. Okay. Now you can just, I mean, that's amazing. You give yourself a big round of applause, everyone. That was the most creative story. I'm pretty definitely, long story short, I'm going to be contacting, Ekta Kapoor to make sure that we, go ahead and create a Hindi serial out of this entire story. All right. So with that, we'll take a small break. So is it 5-minute break or is it shorter than that? Presiding officer?
It's a 2-minute break.
Okay, 2-minute break. All right. So we'll take a 2-minute break. Timer, please go ahead and time us, and we will be back in 2 minutes.
We are ahead of the time today.
Are we really? Damn.
Yeah.
Okay, good. We can have then 5 table topics. I've got 5 table topics. I was thinking if
we can have more than that actually. Generally.
Okay, I'll create one. I'll create on the fly for you guys.
Do we want to pause the recording? Shubham?
Yeah, pause the recording. Yeah. Always a... Yeah. All right. So for the table topics, okay, can I go ahead and share my screen before we jump into the table topics? I want to just let you know the timing sequence of the table topics. You will have green at 1 minute, yellow at 1.5 minutes, red at 2 minutes, and then you will be buzzed out after 2.5 minutes. All right. So let's make sure that we stick within the time. I'm also going to give you a tip. Okay. Each of the topic today are quotes. Okay. So you can start thinking in that direction that these are quotes. So how can you go ahead and make your topic interesting by including some storytelling in that? Okay. So with that being said, I am going to go ahead and share my screen. Please do let me know when you can see it. Okay, can you guys see it?
No, not yet for me.
I think we are unable to see it because 2 screens are being shared. We'll have
Okay,
to
yeah. So
select-
please go to the view options. Can you please go to the view options and go ahead and select my name over there. Now, can everybody see it?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, perfect. Now that you guys can see it, as you can see, somehow SAA and me, we kind of had a similar thought and idea of bringing in different colors to our video and to our PPTs. So when I thought about this theme today, I thought, what are the different stages of our lives where we do have a lot of stories? Okay, so I came up with 5 stages. The first one is growing up. The second stage is when we go on vacations, when we go to a lot of vacations, right? Then the third one is when we are with our friends, when we are with our families. Then the next one is we have a lot of stories about our health, how strong we are, how weak we are, how many problems we have. And lastly, people like me have a lot of growing old stories. Okay. So we've got 5 opportunities here. I want you to raise hand because I haven't asked for people to go ahead and nominate themselves. So I'm going to ask for people to go ahead and volunteer themselves. So who wants to volunteer? Who wants to be the first volunteer? Don't make me come there, okay? All right, fine. I'll pick people then. Okay, then the first person who's going to speak is, how about, we'll start with somebody who is new to me, okay? Toastmaster Kumar, would you want to go first? Hello? Can you guys hear me?
You're on mute.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, I was on mute. Yes,
Okay.
sure, Yatin, I can go, but I missed what I have to do in this round.
Nothing, just select one particular, just select one of these 5 images, and there is a question hidden behind it for you to answer. And they're quotes, by the way. So you just have
Okay,
to talk to it. Which one would you like?
I could not see the images. You can pick any random image for me.
Oh, okay. Why can't you see the images? Can you go to view options and select my name?
No, I'm logged in from mobile.
Okay. All right. So you want to select growing up, vacation, friends and family, growing old, or
Yeah.
which one?
Growing up, vacation, family, and friends.
Well, okay. How about vacation? Okay, I'll go with vacation.
Yeah.
Okay. Your question is, Toastmaster Kumar, where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. Toastmaster Kumar.
Okay. So how is it linked to vacation? I have to answer it.
No,
in
you're not
context of
related to vacation. Vacation is
Okay,
just.
okay, got it. Where there is a will, there is a way. Give me 5 seconds.
Toastmaster Apeksha, do you want to share the timer screen?
Yeah, can you share your timing screen, please?
As the theme of the meeting, a personal story. So I would like to answer this with 2 personal stories. Firstly, regarding my career, when I passed out, I enrolled for chartered accountancy course, and at that point of time, the result percentage was very low, like 2 to 4%, and everybody was demotivating me, my close friends and relatives, to not enroll for this course in the first place. But I disregarded their advice and I went ahead with it. And I gave in my CA final, I gave my first attempt. I failed miserably. I gave my second attempt. I failed miserably. All my friends, my close friends, cleared the examination, and I was alone. I was depressed. But there was some voice inside me that no matter what, I have. This is the goal of my life, that I have to reach at any cost. I have to achieve this at any cost, no matter what. Otherwise, I will not be able to set higher goals for myself in future. So it was. Then in third attempt, I cleared my both groups. So from there on in my life, I have applied that concept, and that where there is a will, there is a way. No matter, you don't need any talent or anything. And sharing about my communication skills. Last year, I was very shy. I could not communicate with my manager in team meetings. I could not speak anything. Now I am the one in my whole team who is like confident in giving my ideas and showing up and telling how it should be done. So definitely, where there is a will, there is a way. Over to you, Toastmaster Yatin.
All right. Okay, so who's going to go next? Come on, volunteers. As you can see, it's very simple. Or do you want me to pick? Okay, how about we pick one of the role players? How about our SAA, Toastmaster Anand?
Hi.
All right, which image would you like to prefer? Of course, minus vacation.
Growing up.
Growing up. All right. So your topic is knowledge is power. Toastmaster Anand, knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Toastmaster Anand, over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Yatin. I'll just start telling a little small story about myself. After I finished my engineering, I worked for a couple of years, and I did my postgrad, did my MBA from IFT, and then I moved to Africa. That was in the year 1994. And when I landed there in Africa, I had a totally different picture, possibly as a young bachelor person, that it would be like some other place that we have been dreaming about when we not know much about what Africa was. But when I realized that when I started getting into my unit and I started speaking with my team members there, we were into a business of sourcing coffee from the farmers. And we had to employ certain localites for various activities in our unit. And simple roles like counting the sacks that come in, or possibly keep a warehouse record, because we did not have computers by that time. There was no laptops or anything that was available, or if it was available, it was very costly, and network, we did not have internet by that time. So with this kind of a situation, we started spreading this word around that there is this company, an overseas company, which has come in looking out for people. And when we started evaluating people, we realized that an average of all the people that who were coming in for the interview, they were not beyond, you can say, standard 8 or standard max standard 10 equivalent to our thing. And we had certain people who were rarely could come in across people who were maybe 12th standard pass or something like that. And then we realized that a situation, just to cut the long story short, is that because I have been educated and I could get access to schooling, and I was able to, progress in my life. Eventually, I realized that knowledge is power, and that's the reason why I was in that place, and possibly I was in a situation that I could train these people and pass on the knowledge that I had gathered over time, and train them eventually on the basic roles, empower them to take up a job and start working. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Anand. Let's go ahead and pick on a guest. Guest Vasundhara.
Okay.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Growing old.
Growing old. Nice. Okay. All right. Guest Vasundhara, your topic is slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Guest Vasundhara, over to you.
Okay, as we all are aware of the story of a rabbit and a tortoise, where we have already learned the moral of how slow and steady wins the race. What's important is not the speed but the consistency and persistence in any particular theme. So let me tell you by explaining a story of my life. When I was a kid, I was totally a very adamant child, and I was not into people used to say that you are a girl, you have to learn cooking and all. I was very adamant by not going into kitchen and all. I will not learn cooking, I'll hire cooks and all when I grow up and all that stuff. My mom used to always insist me that, but I never paid any heed towards it. And when I got married, and the situation was totally different, though my family was very understanding and all, but it was very difficult for me to make initially all the the rotis. They were not round and all, but I practiced it, and it consistently I tried to use small tips and techniques of kitchen given by my mother-in-law. I tried implementing different dishes and recipes daily, every day. And at this point of time, after 2 years of marriage, I'm into, I can manage when guests used to appear, I used to, strangled and beef. I used to I was befuddling and see that what should I do now. And I had been into very worse situations, but now after 2 years of marriage, I am into a stage where I can manage when any guests appear, or I can manage cooking for my 4 people in the house. So this is how steadily I won this, won in the sense I can take care of any such circumstances or any situation which I encounter as how this is a very basic thing when we talk about cooking. But for me, it was a very big deal, and I can manage it now. So this is how with respect to me, how slowly and steadily I won this. I got hang of this particular cooking thing. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guest Vasundhara. Really appreciate that story. Wonderful story over there. Let's go to how about we try our little junior Purvanch. Purvanch, you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, Purvanch, which one would you like to pick? Health or I'll pick for you, Purvanch. Okay. Friends and family? Purvanch, are you okay with friends and family?
Actually, I'm
Which one?
okay. I'm
You're
okay.
I think you will get this one better. This is a good topic. I think you will love this one. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So Purvanch, your topic is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Guess Purvanch, your friend in need is a friend indeed. Over to you, guess Purvanch.
Let me think.
Okay, think. Oh. The timer, you can stop the timer. Timing, it's okay. Let him start when he starts speaking. You can start when he's speaking. Come on, Purvanch.
Okay.
All
So, once what happened, my friend, he was playing with me, and he was young.
Timer.
He was young, and he was only 6 years old. I was 8 years old. He was 2 years smaller than me, and he was scared to go in lift. Once what happened, he was playing with me. I went home, and I forgot that I had my friend that was 6 years old. He was scared of lift, and there was on first floor there was a scary dog, so he cannot go by staircase. So I forgot that there was my friend. Then I went my home at the third floor, and then when I saw George panicking that what should I do now? I cannot go from staircase, and I cannot go from the lift because I'm scared of lift. So then I saw him panicking. Then I went for help. I helped him, but what happened is then I told him that don't be scared of lifts. This is a modern, this is a technique, this is a technology world that has more technology and less letters and emails and not and the stairs. So then I encouraged him, and when I explained him for 1 hour, then he went through the lift, and I was going from the another lift. So then he reached at his home at 4th floor. He was just above me at 4th floor. He reached, and then wow, he was not scared of lift, and my 1 hour explanation got worth it. Thank you.
Very good, guess Purvanch. That is so brave of you. All right, so we've got one more topic, and we actually, if we have time, we can take and some more topics. Anybody else? Anybody wants to volunteer, or you want me to pick?
I can volunteer, Toastmaster. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Sorry, and that was Priya.
Priya.
All right, Priya. So health. So you've got only one option. Okay, so can't help. There you go. So your topic is Toastmaster Priya. Reading is to mind what exercise is to body. Reading is to mind what exercise is to body. Toastmaster Priya, over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Yatin. Good evening, everyone, once again. Being in the house now, working from home, has changed our habits. Right from the morning, we are in the same room, which turns into our bedroom. It turns into our workstation. It turns into our lunch and dinner place and workstation again, and then go to sleep. In between these times, I have changed my habit. I have, included working out a little in the same room now, doing some exercises. While I agree that doing, what we do to the when you exercise is something that you do to the body, but I also agree that it also sharpens your mind. I the change that I have seen in myself is the more I work out, the more I do physical activity, it just adds to my creativity when I am at my work as well. So yes, I mean, it's other way around as well for me. When I do workout, it's also churning of my brain. So long story short, to the title of this topic, it's other way around as well for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Priya. So, presiding officer, do we have time for one more, or should I call it a quit?
I think we should call it quick.
Perfect. Okay. So, thank you, everyone. Do we have the polls ready for this, for our table topics?
Yes, I'll do.
Okay, so thank you everyone. While the polls are coming up, you guys were absolutely fantastic. All the stories were very, very encouraging. I actually got to learn something about a lot of you. So thank you very much for sharing your personal experiences as a part of our table topics contest today. And with that, we'll have our polls up, and I will also go ahead and hand it over back to our Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Priya. Over to you, Toastmaster Priya.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Yalten. It was indeed wonderful and very engaging session, a very innovative one. Toastmaster Priya, you want to stop sharing your screen? So let's move forward in the stories. We all have right now also narrated in the speeches, in round robin and table topics. So when stories is the topic, how can I leave my audience without narrating one? Here is a short fable. I just want to share my screen, Toastmaster Priya. You want to just, yeah. Great, you all can see my screen?
Yes.
Great. A teacher brought balloons at school and asked children to blow them up, all, and then each one write their names on their balloon. Yeah, we'll just wait for 30 seconds. You can complete the poll. So that no one is distracted with my story that I'm narrating. Yeah, we can in the poll. Great.
Yeah, you can start.
Right. So a teacher brought balloons to school and asked children to blow them all up and then each write their names on their balloon. Now everybody tossed all the balloons in the hall, and this is how that hall looked right in the front of you in the picture, while teacher mixed them from one end to another. The teacher gave them 5 minutes to find the balloon with their name on it. Children ran around looking frantically about, but as the time ran out, nobody had found their own balloon. The teacher told them that to take one balloon closest to them and give it to the person whose name was on it. In 2 minutes, everyone had their own balloon. So here is the moral of the story. Balloons are like happiness. No one will find looking for theirs only. If everyone cares about each other's, they will find theirs as quickly as possible. Great. Now it's time for evaluations. I will call upon on this virtual stage the general evaluator who will take us through the evaluation section. He is product manager at Chirpin IT Solutions. He loves trekking, running, and biking. His views on our theme of today: every short story is come from one long story that consists of several life events that we call memories of life. That's true. Let's welcome Toastmaster Shubham. Over to you.
Thanks, Toastmaster Priya, for this wonderful introduction. Good evening, presiding officer, fellow Toastmaster, district officials, and dear guest. So today, I'll narrate you my report. So we'll begin with the evaluation of prepared speeches. For that, like in movie, we have different characters. We have different character in our meeting. So first we'll evaluate with our speeches. So for the first speech, evaluator for the speech is Toastmaster Divyesh, who will evaluate icebreaker of Toastmaster Shankar. Please welcome Toastmaster Divyesh on the stage. Divyesh, are you there?
Am I audible and visible?
Yes, Divyesh, you can start. Timer, you can please share your screen with
Yeah, please share the screen.
With evaluators time.
I'm not able to see the screen. Okay.
Screen is visible to me. Divyesh, is it visible to you?
Yeah, it is visible now.
Okay, Divyesh.
Yeah, I'll start. So good evening all. So like Guru helps students to get the knowledge and shows the right path. Similar way at Toastmasters, evaluators are helping speaker to provide good feedback and help speaker to improve. So my target speaker this is his first icebreaker speech, and introduction was well, and you have started with lot of energy and you started with lot of positive notes. Your mention with your name, you have started with the stories, like your name is Shankar from South India, and you have mentioned that how in 60s it is mentioned. Movies are in movies. This name is like a villain, Shankar Dada. So you immediately grab the connection of audience, and you have highlighted about your parents and brothers. You have mentioned that how your parents were helping you when even despite of some difficulties. So overall, you have introduced your family also well in your introduction. Next, you mention about your career and your overall what are the other benefits you are getting. From the opportunities which you are looking for, like you want to go in some sports field, right? So this, and what are the challenges there are in India to get into that field. So you have highlighted that part very well. So yes, and another good part is you have started this to overall speech is with your hand gestures and everything was good. Speech structure is also very good because it was a completely introduction. Then you mentioned about career stream, and then you mentioned about how you joined Toastmasters and how you by playing rugby you got mentally strong. So overall, you have covered all area of your particular in your introduction. So overall, well done. And at last, one comment I have regarding the confidence. So you can just take little pause next time when you are speaking, so that it will be a good for audience to get better connection. So that is the one recommendation. Otherwise, overall job well done on your first speech. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Thanks, Toastmaster Divyesh, for this great report. We'll go to our next evaluator for speech of Toastmaster Hina. Evaluator is Advisory Business Analyst. So I welcome Toastmaster Tushar on the stage for evaluation of Toastmaster Hina's speech.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shubham. Can I see the timer card?
Yes.
And Toastmaster, if Toastmaster Hina is around. Okay, wonderful. Can you just restart it again? I think the time is already started. Can you reset it? And yep. It's the job that's never started, takes the longest to finish. Congratulations, Toastmaster Hina, for taking that step. And it takes a lot to confront a fable of your procrastination. Fellow Toastmasters and future Toastmasters, good evening. And a special evening to our storyteller of Bane Toastmasters Club. How beautifully you started your speech with rhetorical questions. This was your second speech in Toastmasters, and I can see the trajectory of the growth in your speech. You managed to utilize a lot of non-verbal communication attributes of public speaking that even an experienced Toastmaster would be dumbstruck to see you perform on the stage. Now, something that I loved about your speech is that I personally admired that you were utilizing the space of your room in an effective manner and depicting a particular situation by pointing or maybe moving to different parts of the room. So there was a moment when you forgot your speech, but there was not a grin on your face. This shows your confidence and connect with the camera. The other thing that I really liked about your speech, that you interacted with the audience and patiently waited for their answers. I have two recommendations for you. Though I commented about utilizing the space of your room, but I felt there was exaggeration in the stage movement, which makes it little too uncomfortable to me as a listener. So advice to you on this particular recommendation is calm down and let your stage movement be natural. I noticed that you have tried to bring a lot of humor, which was really good, but your speech delivery was a little too fast and humor didn't come through as it should. So in order to improve, let the audience sink in the laughter and take the right or apt pauses in between. Long story short, great utilization of space and good interaction with the audience with a touch of humor. Let's work on two recommendations of your stage movement and using the right pauses in your speech. With that, I want to say, Toastmaster Hina, what are you waiting for? Keep delivering more speeches and make a mark in your Toastmaster journey. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Our next evaluator for today's Toastmaster Kumar, who will evaluate the speech of Toastmaster Sanjay.
Thank you, General Evaluator. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, Kumar.
Yes.
So the speech was out of the box. So the evaluation should also have to be out of the box. Wow, what a wonderful speech it was. It was simply marvelous. I feel privileged to listen to such a speech and evaluate it because I have not heard such a speech in a long time in Toastmasters. Sanjay is going to start a speech. But wait, where is Sanjay? I could just see a picture of a box. Okay, he might give some benefits of thinking out of the box, then he might switch on his videos. But wait, he has come out of the box and he is wearing goggles and these colorful clothes. Is he going to a disco for a party or delivering a speech? What a wonderful entry, like a Bollywood star made like to deliver such a wonderful speech. Really hats off to you. And the second thing I liked about his speech was his confidence and conviction. When you are trying so many different new things, you can get conscious whether people will like it or not, whether it will come fine or not. But he was very much convinced the way he presented everything. That was simply marvelous. And the next thing I liked about his speech was he included two personal stories, and they were very simple and basic stories which all of us could connect We all have been into college and we all have been in Toastmasters. How he used his public relations strategies in college and Toastmasters. The example specifically he gave when he was contesting for an election in Toastmasters. How wonderfully he sent a mail that this is not a long and boring mail. That really showed us how we have to be innovative in our public relations strategy. So it was really personal and it really connected with the audience. And the another thing I liked about his speech was his voice. He has a very strong voice, which is quite engaging and which does not feel boring and monotonous, which engaged the audience really well. Coming to the recommendation part, frankly speaking, it was a perfect speech. But only one recommendation I would like to give to Sanjay. I felt he spoke a little fast. If he could have spoken a little slow, taken pauses at the right moment, his speech would have been more effective. But still, it was a very excellent speech. I give full marks to him. Over to you, General Evaluator.
What a great evaluation, Toastmaster Kumar. Thanks for your evaluation. So I will raise the poll for best evaluator. Please take a pause for 30 seconds and we'll vote for our best evaluator. Okay. So now we'll begin with the prepared. Now our prepared speeches is done. For running this evaluation session, I want help from my fellow Toastmasters. So first I call out on stage, Aha Counter on the stage for his report.
Thank you, Toastmasters Subham. I'm ready with my reports. I used the less than 5 and more than 5 parameters to count curse sound, filler word, and filler phrases. And I go with that. Toastmaster Anand, he is more than 5 as a curse sound, less than 5 filler word, no filler phrase. Toastmaster Priya, more than 5 curse sound, more than 5 filler word, and less than filler phrase up to now. Toastmaster Shankar, more than 5 curse sound and more than 5 filler word. Toastmaster Hina, more than 5 curse sound, more than 5 filler word, and no filler phrase. Toastmaster Afeksha, more than 5 curse sound, no filler word, and no filler phrase. Toastmaster Yatin, more than 5 curse sound, more than 5 filler word, and no filler, less than 5 filler phases. Toastmaster Narayan, less than 5 curse sound, no filler phrase, and no filler word. Toastmaster Kumar, more than 5 curse sound and less than 5 filler word, no filler phrase. Guest Vasundhara, more than 5 curse sound, more than 5 filler word, less than 5 filler phases. Toastmaster Swam, less than 5 curse sound, less than 5 filler word, and no filler phrase. Guest wants more than 5 curse sound and more than 5 filler word and more than 5 filler phrase. Toastmaster Divyesh, more than 5 curse sound, more than 5 filler word, and no filler phrase. And flawless speaker of today meeting, as per my report, Toastmaster Tushar. And I have another report. What is more repeated word? You know, it's a repeated in the entire meeting more 12 time. Okay, repeated 30 time, 1 3, and like repeated 7 time. Over to General Evaluator.
Thanks, Toastmaster Santosh, for this detailed report of Crutch Sound and mentioning the flawless speaker. Now we'll go towards our language evaluation session. I'll call up on stage language evaluator for the day, Toastmaster Santosh, on the stage.
Good evening again, and thank you, Toastmaster Subham, to calling me for the report. Now I am with my report language. Today, I noticed that we love all stories, but somewhere we forget to mention word of day. That is, fable means that a lesson from the story. So I'm just mentioning the name who used word of day and phrase of day. Toastmaster Priya used a 2-time word of day and 3-time phrase of day. Toastmaster Anand used the 3-time phrase of day. Toastmaster Sankar used 1-time phrase of day. Toastmaster Hina used 1-time day phrase of day. Toastmaster Sanjay used 1-time. Guest Vasundhara used 1-time phrase of day. Toastmaster Yatin used 1-time phrase of day. Toastmaster Tushar used one-time phrase of day. Now the report about not so good usage. Someone said that I was born and brought up. There's nothing wrong in the sentence, but in the context of speech, because you're not change your place, so it would be I am born and brought up in Pune. Someone said that time allow 5, 6, 7 minutes. It should be time allow for this speech because we have multiple speech, multiple time. Someone said, I educated good school. The correct format of the sentence, I got education from good school. Now, time for good words. I have noted so many good words that has been used entire meeting. First one is spark, no stone unturned, do not judge book by the cover, procrastination, conspire, do not get ready, get start, glimpse, miserable, persistence, frantically, domestic, exaggerated, and conviction. With this, over to General Evaluator.
Thanks, Santosh, for the detailed report. Now I'll start the poll for auxiliary role player. Please cast the vote. Okay. So now it's time for my report. So before starting the report, I'll tell you that report in the form of a story. So like in the movie, we will start with one thing, and that was starting climax. With the help of this, we can understand what's going on in the movie. Like this, our Sa of today, Toastmaster Anand, did his first role, and he did it like he's very pro player of this role. He started meeting at time at correct 4 o'clock. He started with very different kind of approach with the help of that video and the sound that directly connects with the theme. that makes meeting memorable for each and every guest and each and every members. He explains the rules very well, and he did the part of spotlighting did very well. As a first role, I don't have any recommendation for your Toastmaster Anand, and I want to see you in the more roles in the in our future meetings. Now we'll go towards our timer report. So as in movies, we have someone like who is always in the movie shooting time. It's like spot the kind of thing. Lights, camera, action. At the action, we will start our dialogue delivery and all this thing. Like this, we have our timer in the meeting. Toastmaster Apeksha, on her first role, she did really very well. She makes good collaboration with the different role players and the speakers. She explained her role very properly and the cards at the time that we want. One recommendation for timer is, if at the point in the table topics, we have more than one screen. At that time, you can use the cards. My only recommendation for this is for this card part, you can use with the help of your phone or with the help of any physical any paper card with colors. That will make your report and yourself more lively towards in front of each and everyone. For the dialogue delivery and each and everything, we have a different kind of director in the movie. I didn't recognize the name right now. Like we have grammarian in the meeting that judge each and everyone for their dialogue delivery, for their speeches, for the evaluation, for their words they use, for the phrase they used. Toastmaster Santosh, in the role of grammarian, you updated word of the day and phrase of the day on time as per you assign the role. So kudos to you for that. You explain the report very properly and also mentioning the bad phrases, bad words, and who are using word of the day and phrase of the day and how much time. But my one recommendation for the grammarian report is, if you create one little Excel file for that, who is using how much time, that report, and the bad uses and good uses, that will create more impact, and we will share that report at the end in our general group. So that will helpful for our members. Same thing, if we come to the R counter, you explain your role really very well. You mentioned the flawless speaker, and you'll add two to three more things. But if we want more crisp report, we can use any kind of framework. So that's my recommendation from my side. Otherwise, job well done in R counter and grammarian. Let's come back to our fun partner of the meeting. That was table topic master. Toastmaster Yatin did this really very well. Such a creative approach of taking a story of kingdom and all this thing that makes each and everyone included in the meeting, and everyone is interested towards that story. Someone adding Mowgli, someone adding Tarzan. So for this, round robin is going really very well, and that was really creative and innovative and approachable for each and everyone. Apart from that, if we come to the table topics, in the table topics, you use the approach that we really want, that come from our daily life. We all facing that thing in each and every day in our life. So in that, I don't have any recommendation for you. This is really very well and really well done from by you, Toastmaster Yatin. Now let's come to our main director come producer of our meeting, Toastmaster of the day. Toastmaster Priya, you explained your role, you explained your topic really very well. So I start with the start of from Monday of last week. when you post your first part in the meeting and people are getting excited and sharing their stories that make them alive. They are sharing their real life stories. So in that part, you are done really very well. But I have little one recommendation in that part. If you use any kind of graphics kind of thing, like if you are use any kind of a meme or share any kind of picture, that make easy for them, just because reading a paragraph is not everyone's cup of tea. You publish agenda on time. You introduce each and every role player with their proper introduction, with their hobbies and their professional career, their hobbies and all this thing. If we come to the your energy, in that I will give heads off to you, just because in between the meeting, in start the meeting and during all the phases of meeting, you are in the same energy. Apart from that, with the help of your storytelling skills, you also attempted table topic, and that really like a extra sugar in the cup. So my only recommendation for you is, you can add some graphics kind of some graphics or some pictures at the time you are promoting your agenda or your topic in the groups. Otherwise, job well done, kudos to you. Now we come to our evaluators. So I will start with Toastmaster Divyesh. As an icebreaker, or as he evaluated icebreaker of Toastmaster Shankar, he used CRC approach by taking really good examples and giving them how he can make it better. That's really good. And he summarized the end really very well. On that part, I have no recommendation for that. And your pointers, this is really encouraging your target speaker at the time he is delivering his second speech. So this feedback is really helpful for Toastmaster Shankar. One recommendation for you, Divyesh, is at the time you are mentioning the example, you can take some that kind of example that really comes in his daily life. So he will directly connect with it, and he can use it in each and every generalized kind of approach for that. Now we come to the Toastmaster Tushar report. He done really very well. Apart from he done really very well. He mentioned the recommendation and commendation both at the both one by one, and he summarized and give comments when it's required. Apart from that, in the Toastmaster Tushar's report, I have one recommendation is, he did this like he did this in the way we can do it more better with the help of some different gestures. So that will make it more better for their his target speaker. Now we come to Toastmaster Kumar's report. He did this really very well, and he mentioned each and every points that we need in our evaluation. And also he also used the getup that was taken by his target speaker, that makes each and everyone in the meeting more connected with it. So I have no recommendation for our third evaluator. Now we come to the presidential address. So for that, Toastmaster Santosh started on time, and he interacted with each and every guest and give them all the references that really helpful for them. Apart from that, no recommendation on presidential address. Overall, it is a great listening to all the speeches, hearing all their evaluation, and let us applaud for all the role players and evaluation for the wonderful work today. So this is my report. Back to Toastmaster of the day. Over to you, Timothy.
Thank you so much, Master Shubham, for a great evaluation session. The analogy of movie and the making of the movie. So that was quite interesting. We have the vote for best role player of the day.
Yes, I'm sharing that.
Sure.
Yes.
All right, coming back to stories. Please excuse for the background sound if you can hear that from my side. Stories are central to human cognition and communication. We engage with others through stories, and storytelling is a lot more than just a recitation of facts and events. Toastmaster platform also encourages using stories to breathe life into every speech to make your message a memorable one. Even as technology presents so many dynamic opportunities to create new content, humans will still crave for stories so we can make sense of the world. We all add our LinkedIn stories, Insta stories to engage with more people. If we want to know how to live well, we'll need our stories in the life. And there's no substitute for other than living our own story, making mistakes, and learning as we go. So, long story short, stories will always matter now and in the future. Now, it's time for the moment of glory for all of us. Let's invite our presiding officer, Toastmaster Santosh, to give away the certificates, make announcements, if any, and close the meeting. Toastmaster Santosh, welcome back on the virtual stage. Over to you.
Thank you, Madam Toastmaster. I hope all you enjoy this meeting as I did. So many stories, so many fable, and wonderful evaluation like a movie review. And when we get such kind of the movie review, believe me, such movies always super duper hit. Before moving on certifications and announcing the winner and movement for glory, I could not stop myself to say thank you. Basically, all role player, speaker, evaluator, not last but not least, our energetic TMOD Toastmaster Priya to make this meeting really memorable and fantastic. So, Toastmaster Sumam, do we ready with the certificates? Yes. So before that, launching the certificate or announcing the winner, just let me clear that all these winners are selected based on your vote that you casted.
Yes.
So first, prepare speech. Guess who is winner? Toastmaster Sanjay. And the Toastmaster Sanjay, congratulations for your out of box story. And believe me that this is also out of box result.
So much.
Just 1 minute. We need to take the pic.
Please open your box.
Well, I'll have to move out then.
Congratulations again. And now, second, who is the table topic master speaker? And Toastmaster Anand. Congratulations, Toastmaster Anand. Please bring Toastmaster Anand on frame so that we can freeze this moment.
I'm trying to, okay.
And this so that people really believe knowledge is power. Many, many congratulations, Toastmaster Anand.
Thank you.
Now next, evaluators, heart of this Toastmaster meeting. Best evaluator, Toastmaster Tushar. Do we have Toastmaster Tushar?
Tushar is not here.
Okay, no problem. So we can convey our congratulations. Good wishes
I
to
will
Tushar.
send this to Tushar.
Yeah. Now, best role player award goes to Toastmaster Priya, our main characters of the today meeting and storyteller. Toastmaster Priya, congratulations. Those who tell the story rule the words, and today you rule the meeting.
Thank you.
Now, auxiliary role player, Toastmaster Anand, congratulations, double recognition and double, you have done your double efforts. Yeah, and we love your story.
It's a tie.
It's a tie. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Considering me.
You can just put a pat on the back like this.
Yeah, yeah. So,
there you go.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
There you go.
I noted. Yes. Now, what is the beauty of the Toastmaster? Toastmaster beauty is evaluations. Now, time for evaluation and get the feedback from our guest. So today we have one guest, guest Vasundhara.
Hi.
Are you around? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
just provide your feedback, suggestion within 10 seconds. We'll love to hear you.
I really like the entire concept of Toastmasters and how the roles are assigned and how they are played. So there's really a lot of growth for the scope for personal development over. So and overall it was really cool and good. I liked it. I would like to be a part of it.
Thank you, Toshma. Thank you, guest Vasundhara, for your suggestions and feedback. And I would suggest you to share your contact detail with us so that we can update you. Or if you want to more details about the Bane Toastmaster Club, we will happy to share with you.
Sure.
So before I adjourn this meeting, we have a very important task. That is group picture. Let's take the group picture and make this meeting memorable for everyone.
One more. Okay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Divesh, for taking pictures of this meeting. And with this smile, I'm going to adjourn this meeting and open for the fellowship. I request, please stop the recording.